76, 79 Cadillac Seville rear bumper. According to the book, it actually says 76 to 77, but I believe that they're the same. This is an NOS rear bumper bar. It has some light scratches, you know, typical from it sitting on the shelf and getting moved around. So it does have some minor blemishes, but this is NOS, never been bolted up. Really not going to find a more perfect bumper out there. Just trying to get you it from all different angles because the chrome is very reflective, so it makes it a little bit difficult there, but I just want you to be able to see exactly what it is that you're getting. Bear with me as I flip this up. So the only spot right here must have hit something on the shelf, just a little scuff. That's on the very bottom corner. You can get an overall. So it's down here. Other than that, everything you see, you know, anything in here is going to be covered by your impact strip. I've got some light scratches. Nothing major. So even though it is NOS, you know, I like to show you exactly what you're getting because nothing is 100% perfect, even NOS. So. Again, you've got a small scratch. Okay, so bear with me again. I'm gonna flip it to the back side. So you can see there's the GM label, the GM part number. So I do have on here 76, 77, but that's because that GM part number is what that comes back to in the book. However, I do believe that it goes up to 79, so just if you're buying it for 78 or 79, just be sure on your fitment there. You can see this has never been bolted up. Nice NOS bumper bar.